What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Codename The Wolfman. I'm the Wolfman, the Wolf of Bankroll Flow. Welcome to another edition of Rolling and Scrolling with the Wolfman. What's up, Eco Money family? Welcome back, guys. I appreciate you like, sharing, subscribing, and just putting the information out there to the people, man. That's all I'm trying to do is let you see my journey into crypto. And of course, our main place is Bankroll Flow, where we're creating residual income. So what's up, family? I know usually I come to you guys with pretty much kind of a lecture style or with some new information. Now this week, all I want to say is it's really good time to be into crypto, guys. A lot of these tokens and coins are actually catching on right now, and it's kind of the very beginning, but because they're catching on, the price is currently going up. So earlier in these previous videos, I talked about HODL'ing, holding on to your coins for dear life, to your tokens for dear life. And I talked about just investing in yourself. Well, those things are coming to fruition right now. It's still a good time to get into the crypto game. But for instance, one of the main coins that we use is Tron, which symbol is TRX. Now, when I got into this, TRX was between 2 and 5 cents per coin, and currently we're at 12 cents per coin. Now, you may say that's not a whole lot, but if you're holding thousands of that coin, you just doubled your money just by letting it sit there and grow with time. Now, on the rise, there's also some other coins. XRP is coming right out of a lawsuit. I've been holding on to that pre the lawsuit, and it really drove my wallet up. My wallet has since doubled itself in price. I was sitting around maybe $350 that I just hold in my Clever wallet. So you guys check out the Clever wallet. But now my Clever wallet is sitting around $800+, and that's all off of XRP, Tron, BTT, Sun, Win, those smaller tokens. But again, XRP is now over $1. Pre the lawsuit, it was sitting between 30 to 50 cents. It's now over $1, about $1.25. So it really just blew the thing out the park, and I'm super excited about that. Again, guys, it's not necessarily a bad time to get in, but the prices have gone up, and potentially they're going to continue to go up. That's what we're looking for. So for the things I want to keep in my wallet, I'm going to continue to hodl. Some of those items I will withdraw and take my profits. Now, I know a lot of people have been trying to reach out to me. Shouts out to Wifey. She let me know people reaching out to her, trying to reach me. If you want to reach me directly, you can leave a comment on the videos, or you can actually reach me at my email, which is digatltv@gmail.com. Again, that's digatltv@gmail.com. Send me an email. I'll be happy to respond to you. I did want to just briefly mention withdrawing that money. Just like with stocks, there is a capital gains tax on the gains that you make. So just make sure when you withdraw your money, you keep enough to be able to pay taxes on that money. Now, for me, this is more of like a 401k plan for me. It's like a crypto or a currency account that I hold on my phone and my computer, and I just continue to grow it up and make it larger. So I'm not really concerned with withdrawing at this time, but I do want you to be aware that when you do withdraw, there are taxes that you have to pay. So again, guys, I appreciate all the love. You like, sharing, subscribing. It's the Wolfman. You know what we do, man. We get residual income and make this money every week. So let me just show you a quick update. I'll give you a quick roll, and I'm actually going to let you see my BNB wallet. I would let you see my Clever wallet, which is holding all the Tron and everything. But even my BNB has gone crazy. BNB, when I started, it was around $200 to $250. It's some big money stuff. But now BNB is about $400+. So as you can imagine, just like my Clever wallet, my BNB wallet was sitting around $300-400 when I started it. It's already grown to $2,000, and I don't even do much over there except for hold my tokens and let it grow and compound with Venus protocol. So again, guys, let me let you take a quick look, and we will make our roll. We're already at 5K deposits, and I'll show you my wallet really quickly, and we'll get up out of here, guys. Let's take a quick look. So here's my bankroll flow, and what a time to be in crypto. And take a look at this. We'll take a look at the stats real quick. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. So again, 13,000 players are in the game. 14 million worth of BankerX is in this game. $14 million worth of BankerX, which is 75 million BankerX. Again, the price of Tron has gone up. So it's sitting around 11 cents right now. Previously 5 cents, maybe in the last video. It's at 11 cents, going crazy, along with BTT as well. Here we go with my flow. So again, for the week, I saved up this roll. So there's about 379 BankerX, $73 worth of BankerX that I will be rolling over. It'll get my deposits close to 6K, a little under 6K deposits, which is cool with me. We're consistently at $10.41 a month. So last week we were at $10 as well. So it's staying pretty stable and it's on the rise. Again, that's because of the price of Tron and the price of BankerX and Banker being on the rise, family. So yeah, man, look at this. This is how you can get residual income. Yes, I did put money in here, about $400 or $500. In total, it's saying we have about $1,000 invested, and that's not just from my pockets. That's from me compounding interest, which means I click roll. It takes my available balance and puts that into my deposits. So it just grows that amount every time you roll over. My advice to anybody new to bankroll flow, especially Eco Money family, roll this every day, you know, every night before you go to sleep, or every morning, you know, when you get up, you brush your teeth. Make this roll so you can grow your account, and you can get your account pretty big, and you'll have those amounts that you can withdraw. Again, we're not withdrawing though. I grow this account. Shouts out Eco Money family. I appreciate the love because my team is here and I have gained rewards off of having people join Bankroll Flow, but it is not mandatory, guys. You can do this all on your own. You don't have to go out and cold call or beg somebody to be a part of your team. You build your own residual income. That's what we're here to do. So again, I just want to go ahead and make my roll. Just wanted to show you some quick stats on my Bankroll Flow. I am still going to grab me some banker tokens so I can actually take part in my rewards. I've really been slacking on the rewards, and without banker token, you cannot make your full reward. You know, it will not pay me out my reward unless I'm holding on to banker token. That's an update that BT made to the DApp. But BT, I appreciate you, man, for keeping this going. And, you know, appreciate Mason Double OG for putting me on and letting me see this information because it's so exciting. That was the reason I wanted to bring it to the world. For anybody who hasn't been paying attention, you know, you just don't really care for cryptocurrency. It is the new thing, guys. It is a way to have currency in your pocket. It's like having a currency exchange in your pocket, and you can change money on hand at any given time. So again, I just like to roll this amount, so we will make this a little larger. So I just click roll, and I always say, yeah, I accept the roll that I would like to make. And I go ahead and close that transaction, which rolled my available amount. So you can see my available that was here is now 0 and starting to grow again, because this DApp does give you 1% back on your deposit every day, every 24 hours. So here, as you can see, my deposit have grown to 5.7K deposits. We're making $11.14 a day currently off of that, and that may fluctuate, give or take. And just know we're making more BankerX and we're making more money daily. So next week we'll decide whether we'll roll this all out over, or if we will take a withdrawal and move money over to some other dApps like Golden Egg Finance. I'm still making money in Golden Egg Finance, which is a really good dApp, really good place to make some extra money. It has some high percentage yields, and you guys have seen it in my earlier videos, but just to give you a quick look, I had some flamingos over in Golden Egg Finance. So here's the dApp itself. You can just see golden eggs. Again, with golden eggs, you earn the same way. So you just stake tokens over here and you earn golden diamonds and other golden eggs. And there's plenty of animals. There's gnomes, there's shells, there's dragons, there's dolphins, there's whales. You see them all right here on the left, guys. You can basically buy into these. Now, what you really want to look for is the APR percentage. I'm only buying into the highest APR percentages because I want to get my return. You know, I want to get a good amount of return on each one of these. So that's usually how I do this. Now, mine, you can see, is down here. You know, I'm going to reinvest in this. I end up either planning on going into dolphins and whales because those have the highest amount. Currently, you see there's only $23 sitting here because I did withdraw it maybe a week or two ago. So there's about $22, $23. But every once in a while, yeah, withdraw and take your gains. Just I'm not withdrawing it directly to my bank account, which I could do. You know, I could change it from Tron to Bitcoin and basically have money in my pocket. But when I withdraw this, I just hold the tokens in my wallet and I usually transfer it to another cryptocurrency dApp. Because I'm just trying to look to earn in multiple places. You know, you want to have multiple streams of income. Same thing in crypto. Get multiple streams of income from my cryptocurrency. And that way it just grows this business as it is, guys. So again, not financial advice, but definitely we are getting money. That is the name of the game. Now, as I promised, let's take a quick look at my Venus protocol where I'm holding BNB. Again, Venus protocol, I went in that thing about $350 to $400 when it first started. And we made some flips. I mean, again, previous videos, if you look at BNB stake, that one had some crazy money. It's no longer there. So just so you know, don't go over there trying to think you can make some money because they milked that thing to death and took all the money out. But again, I grew greatly with BNB stake. I grew with Pancake Swap. And again, my $350 to $400 is now about $2,000. Look at this over here. Venus protocol. My supply balance is $1,978. And that started at $400, guys. That's because the price of BNB is now around $400 itself. BNB has grown greatly, guys. Like it's looking so good right now. And I'm very happy with this amount. Now, again, this is how much I have supplied, $1,981 worth of BNB. Again, that's like 4.2 BNBs. I have borrowed this dApp right here. It basically lets you stake your money and borrow against it. And that's one of the best ways to hodl and hold on to your tokens because I can borrow, go into these dApps, make money in the dApp, pay myself back, and still hold on to my original tokens that I had. So that way, when the price is going crazy and skyrocketing, I still have this in my wallet and my wallet grows as well. And that's how you get all of the money into your pocket and into your digital wallet, which is your phone or your computer. You know, everything's digital these days. Of course, I still got my wallet, but all you need is a phone or a computer and you have money. Money is out here everywhere, guys. You just have to look. You have to be willing to learn and you have to go and grab it. Don't think it's just going to fall into your lap. Go out there and grab it, guys. Invest in yourself. Have love for yourself. And again, shouts out to everybody who's shown love to me. If you want to reach me, again, the best way to reach me, again, is at Gmail. It's digatltv@gmail.com. I love all of my supporters. Even if you're not a supporter, I appreciate you taking a look at the videos and just being inspired, hopefully, by my progress here. So I'm really happy with this, guys. Again, like, share, and subscribe as much as you can. I appreciate the love. Wolfman out.